Say hello to Bruno, the world's first send me an alert so I'll never miss trash pickup again. Remind me when I'm low on trash bags. Wi-Fi connected, now you see it. Now you don't. Smart kitchen trash can.
Hello, I'm Lori Montag.
And I'm Jim Howard, and we create products for a living. Our products have been featured on CNN, The Today Show, Good Morning America, and The Ellen Show, to name a few. We have spent the past year with top engineers, industrial designers, filing patents, testing prototypes, and identifying factories. As you can see, we have our design finalized, and we are excited to share this revolutionary product with the rest of the world.
We need your help so molds can be ordered, the Bruno app completed, and production can begin. By reserving your Bruno now, you'll be able to save money, pick your color, and receive some great freebies. Thanks for your support, and stand by for the next big thing.
Hi, Kickstarter. Let me introduce you to Dreamy Orbit, the first sleep and relaxation aid in one, using your mobile phone or tablet as a projector. You work hard, give everything, whether on the job or in the family. Have little time to relax and can't fall asleep well? Dreamy Orbit supports and helps you intuitively bring your breathing into the right relaxing balance. Just select sleep or relaxing mode. Start the app, put on Dreamy on your mobile phone or tablet, switch off the light and watch the selected projection. While watching the projection, listening to the relaxing sound, you can completely wind down. You can choose between several planets projected from the solar system. If you want to fall asleep, use the projected yoga breathing techniques. Intuitive, self-explanatory. Just follow the flow of the projected animations. Dreamy Orbit, the first sleep and relaxation aid in one, using your mobile phone or tablet as a projector.
The power of music touches all of us. On our smartphones, touch and motion controls have made buttons obsolete for years. At Sugar, we believe it's time our portable speakers caught up. That's why we've created the Sugar Cube, to create a simpler, more personal music experience. Sugar Cube creates musical atmosphere just for you. That's why we design controls that let you stay focused on the things that matter. Tap once to play or pause. Tilt it left and right to skip forward and back. When it alarms, snooze is just one rotation away. Sugar Cube is a Wi-Fi music box that streams audio from Pandora, iTunes, BBC Radio, and iOS or Android devices. Sugar Cube lets you share music like never before. Pressing and holding the top shares the current song to your Facebook. Sugar Cube lets you share music intimately, even when your loved one is far away. After pairing two cubes together, double tapping sends the current song directly to your partner. It'll be the next song that plays, and maybe even one that makes their day. Sound quality was always our top priority. That's why we customized a neodymium full-range driver optimized for its size. We designed the acoustic chamber and reflex tube to deliver excellent bass performance. Best of all, this technology is combined inside a beautiful wooden housing. As audio engineers, we know that wooden speaker boxes deliver clear and rich sound. It sounds every bit as good as it looks and feels.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Sean. Building Sugar Cube from scratch is an exciting journey. We all enjoyed it. Now we are ready. Hope you like it. I look forward to getting your support and sharing.
Think this can't happen to you? Think again. Because the greatest threat to your cybersecurity may not be from the outside. It may be from the person sitting next to you. Data breaches can cost your company money and credibility. Once lost, those are difficult to recover. That's why Halberd deals with the threat at the source, so you don't pay at the end. When you get up, Halberd automatically secures your computer from intrusion and compromise. When you return, Halberd turns your computer back on, securing all your data from breach. Halberd, an elite end-user defense system. You know you need it.